Welcome to Good Money Guide TV. Today we're going to run through our picks of the best investment accounts of 2023. Now, we determine the winners by looking at over 17,000 votes in our annual awards. They've been going for 6 years now. Interviews with the company's CEOs and senior management, data and pricing analysis, and of course, testing the accounts ourselves. We will look at the best overall investment account, DIY, managed and junior ISAs, adult and junior SIPPs, private pensions, wealth management, ETF platforms, Robo-Advisors, lifetime ISAs, apps, alternative investment accounts, and investing platforms that offer the most added value. Best investing account 2023. Now, general investing accounts let you buy and hold a range of assets such as shares, investment funds, exchange traded funds, which are ETFs, and bonds. With a general investment account, you can build an investment portfolio yourself through a DIY platform or with the help of experts through a managed investment account. Best investing account 2023 is Interactive Investor. Now, Interactive Investor, as well as winning in 2023, they also won in 2022, as they offer an excellent fixed fee pricing model, which is a good choice for investors with over 10,000 to invest, because their fixed fee model means that your total account costs remain low no matter how big your portfolio gets. You can also invest in a huge range of markets, from UK and international shares to funds, trusts, bonds, and ETFs. Best DIY stocks and shares ISA. Our winner for 2023 is Hargreaves Lansdown. Now, Hargreaves Lansdown Stocks and Shares ISA offers access to a vast range of investments. Investors have access to domestic and international equities, over 3,000 funds, bonds, and another advantage is that the platform offers plenty of research and investment tools to help you make investment decisions. Best managed stocks and shares ISA. A managed investment ISA has all the same advantages of a DIY ISA, with the added bonus that professionals make the investment decisions for you and will build a balanced, diverse portfolio. Nowadays, these are generally based on ETFs because they're very low cost. Our winner in 2023 is Wealthify. Wealthify is part of the Aviva Group and lets you invest in an ISA in either an original portfolio of investments from the UK and overseas, or you can choose an ethical investment plan made from a blend of environmentally and socially responsible investments. Best junior stocks and shares ISA. Now, junior stocks and shares ISAs offer better potential returns than cash ISAs, as they're investment accounts rather than savings account. JISAs let you invest in a tax-efficient wrapper for your children, which they can access at 18. The disadvantage, of course, is that you can't take the money out before then. Best junior investment ISA is Beanstalk. Now, Beanstalk won Best JISA in 2023 and 2022, as they provide a simple yet effective way to invest for your children's future. Friends and family can also make deposits directly into your child's account via the app, and the investment options are split between cash and the stock market, which enables parents to adjust the level of risk that they're prepared to take. It's a good option for parents who want to invest for their children but don't want to pick the individual investments. Best SIPP account. SIPP providers offer a pension plan where you choose exactly what investments you want to include, rather than an investment professional doing it for you. And this gives you far more control over how your money is invested for retirement compared to a traditional managed pension. Our winner in 2023 is AJ Bell. They've got a great fee structure, very low cost. They're an established name and they've got a really wide choice of investments to pick from. Best junior SIPP. Now, junior SIPPs are self-invested personal pension products designed for those under the age of 18. This type of pension account offers a tax-efficient way of saving for your children's retirement. And when your child reaches 18, it just turns into a regular SIPP. Our winner in 2023 is Hargreaves Lansdown. Now, we've ranked Hargreaves Lansdown as the best junior SIPP in 2023 and 2022 due to its market range and added value. Through Hargreaves Lansdown, you can invest in a wide range of UK shares, international shares, investment funds. There are about 3,000 funds on the platform. You can also invest in investment trusts, ETFs, and bonds. It's worth noting as well that you can trade funds for free. Best lifetime ISA. Lifetime ISA providers let UK residents between the age of 18 and 40 invest or save a maximum of £4,000 a year of their ISA allowance to be used as a deposit for a house or to use for their retirement. ISAs give you a government bonus of 25% on top of your contributions, and you can also make money through interest payments and investment returns. Our 2023 winner is Nude. They offer a great user experience, loads of educational guides. They're relatively cheap. It's actually cheaper to invest in the product they offer elsewhere, but they make it so much easier, and as they focus exclusively on lifetime ISAs, they've picked up our award this year. Best Wealth Manager. Wealth managers are an individual or company that helps you invest for your future via a tax-efficient pension, ISA, or general investing account. Winner is JM Fin. They always get excellent customer support feedback in our survey. JM Fin have in fact won our award for Best Wealth Manager in 2023, 22, and 21. JM Fin offer a high-quality, personalised investment managed service that aims to meet your individual needs. Best Robo-Advisor. Now, Robo-Advisors are digital investment platforms. They prefer to be called digital wealth managers that help you build a long-term investment portfolio by matching your investment objectives with relevant pre-made ETF portfolios or funds, and they're generally cheaper than wealth managers because the process is automated. 2023 winner is Nutmeg. JP Morgan owned Nutmeg won our award for Best Robo-Advisor in 2023, 22 and 21, as they offer one of the simplest ways to start investing with either a standard account, stocks and shares ISA, or pension. And in fact, Nutmeg can be credited with leading the way in taking this form of managed investing online. They were one of the first providers in the UK to do it. Best ETF investing platform. ETF investing platforms let you buy exchange-traded funds, which are basically a basket of shares, funds, currencies, or commodities in one go that roughly track the performance of the underlying asset. ETFs are one of the cheapest and most diverse and most effective ways to start investing in the stock markets. Our winner in 2023 is InvestEngine. They've got a really straightforward app, and they've got a good focus on DIY ETFs, and they also offer a managed ETF portfolio service. Best investing app. Investing apps are the mobile versions of an investment platform's account, which allow investors to buy and sell a range of investments depending on the provider, including shares, bonds, ETFs, and funds. In the general investing account, stocks, and shares ISA, SIPP, or pension. Our winner in 2023 is Doddle. Now, they offer really good value. They're very well backed. What we like in particular about them is that they focus on encouraging the really young to invest as soon as they can. It's a really simple to use entry-level app. Best private pension. Now, private pensions are tax-efficient ways to invest and save for your retirement and give you great control of where your money is invested, as you, with the help of an advisor, can decide what different asset classes to invest in, from stocks, bonds, ETF, and investment trusts, and so on. Our winner this year is Nutmeg. They offer low fees, it's really easy to pick a portfolio, they've got a great selection of socially responsible options, and they're good value for those with larger pension pots. They have 4 investment styles or portfolios, which have been built by experts and use exchange-traded funds to diversify across stocks, bonds, industries, and even countries. And this really helps keep costs down. Best impact investing platform. Our 2023 winner is RCB Alia. They're a really innovative way for people to invest that makes a difference to very specific people's lives through their retail charity bond offering. Best bond broker, 2023 winner, Interactive Brokers. They offer access to the most bonds by far, and they've got incredibly low trading costs. Best added value investing account, 2023 winner, Best Invest, well-established platform where you can get some free initial guidance from their experts, either over the phone or via video chat. It's quite rare nowadays, most things are online. Or if you want specific buy and sell recommendations, you can pay for a portfolio review, and they'll take a look at your portfolio, tell you what they like, what they don't like, and even give you specific suggestions on what to buy or sell. Best alternative investment platform, winner, eToro. Now, not everyone's cup of tea, but they do a really good job of providing access to markets that people want to invest in particular, things like cryptocurrency. Right, if you'd like more information about any of these providers or products we've just covered, click the links below for our most up-to-date guides, reviews, news, and interviews. And in fact, if you agree with us or disagree, come to the Good Money Guide, find a provider, and tell us what you think of them. Thanks for watching.